Experiment 8, Triangle Test, by Rachel Murphy, Annie O'Brien, and Byron Gorman. The principle of a triangle test involves panelists being presented with one different and two alike samples. If possible, all three samples should be presented to the panelist at once, and the panelist should be instructed to taste the samples from left to right. The 6 possible order combinations should be randomized across panelists. For example, A and B. The 6 possible order combinations are AAB, ABA, BAA, BBA, BAB, and ABB. The panelist is instructed to identify the odd sample and record his or her answer. The panelist is verbally instructed to taste the first set from left to right. After each sample is tasted, the panelist is told to expectorate the sample into the spittoon provided and rinse the palate with the water provided. The panelist is then to make a decision on which sample is different from the other two. These steps are repeated for the second set. Set 1 and Set 2 are presented to the panelist as follows. Set 1 starts with sample 133, then sample 535, and then sample 397. Set 2 starts off with sample 944, then sample 046, and finally sample 418. As previously mentioned, 2 of the samples are the same and 1 is different. In this experiment, sample 397 and 046 are low-fat McVitie's, and the other 4 samples are normal McVitie's biscuits. The tabulation of results involves 2 sets, Set 1 and Set 2. This experiment had a total of 16 judges, which meant there was a total of 32 judgments altogether. Overall, there were 8 correct judgments out of a possible of 16 judgments in Set 1, and 8 correct judgments out of a possible 16 in Set 2, with a total 16 correct judgments out of 32 overall. After referring to Table 4 of the statistics tables, it can be confirmed that the results were significant with a confidence interval of 95%. Thanks for watching.